Hello friends, today I will show you how to make an origami flapping bird. Okay, so let's learn it. You will just need a square sheet of paper. Okay, first step, we have to take this point to this point. And then crease it well, tightly. Okay, then unfold the paper and turn it over. Okay. Then you take this, you have to make a plus sign. So you take this side to this side. Unfold the paper, rotate it 90 degrees and repeat the same process. Unfold. Now we have to turn the paper in half, and you will see that this paper is turning this side. And if you fold it like this, it is folding here. So you can fold it in any way. So fold this corner and then turn the paper over and fold this corner. Okay, so it is here. So here is a triangle shape. So now as you can see, it has a pocket inside. So we have to open this pocket. Okay, so there are two sides, one with flap, one with lot. So we will fold the flap side down. Okay, as you can see, there is a center line. So we have to take this corner to the center line. Same thing over here. Now you have to take the upper corner till this line and crease it well. Now unfold all the folds. Now for better folding, I prefer to fold the paper to the left and repeat this step the back side. Same thing over here. Okay, now we have to take this flap and we have made a crease over here. So we fold it by the crease and also fold with this crease inside. Then do the paper down. Now flip the paper and repeat the same process. Okay, now fold it and squash it. Okay, now we have done the same process in both the sides. So we take any one corner. Suppose I take right corner. So if we take right corner, we have to move it one step to the left. Turn the paper over and again take one right corner to the left. Okay, now choose one side. I choose this side tail and this side head. Okay, so for the tail we have to take this paper and we have to fold it by this crease like this. So first we have to move it up and then by this crease we have to squash it and then we have to squash it. So it was like this and like this. So it has to be downwards to this crease. Okay, now let's fold up these wings. The front and the back part will be its wing. Okay, now for the head, it is a bit typical. So first move it up and then pull this out, and then we have to make an angle of a bird like this. Okay, now squash it. Now this is the head, this is the tail. As you can see, the tail is below this crease, head is above this crease. So for making the head, as you can see, there is a pocket type. So we have to put our finger inside this pocket and squash it a little bit and fold it by this crease and squash it. Okay, so it became the head and this became the tail. Okay, now the step for the wings. What we have to do is take this side and fold it along this side like this, and very softly you press it. Okay, so we have made a little diagonal fold. Same thing over this side. Turn the paper over and repeat. Okay, now so we have made the wings, we have made the bird, but we don't know how to flap it. So let's learn. First, hold the front part tightly, and with your two index and thumb, you insert this, and holding tightly with my left hand, I will press this down like this. So you see, the wings are now down. Okay, now to flap it continuously, you don't need to hold again tightly. You can just hold it and pull it its tail. So you can see our flapping bird is ready. Thank you for watching this video, and please share, comment, like and subscribe our channel.